Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is softlife.com and welcome. So in this video, I have decided to put together answers to questions that I get a lot. I get questions a lot about what do I use to edit my pictures, what do I use to edit my videos, and I thought how about I make a video and share with you guys what I actually use to do what I do. So if you think this is something you're going to be interested in, do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned. So if you have seen my previous videos where I talked about how to take good pictures with your phone and how to take better quality videos, you would see that one of my points there is to use editing applications. These tools are available for you to be creative. So I'm just going to be sharing with you some of the applications, rather all of the applications that I have in my phone currently and those that I use and what they actually do for me. In order not to make this video really long, I'm supposed to talk about the applications that I use for both photo editing and video editing. So I just might do a part 2 for either pictures or videos. So let's just see how this video rolls out. Then we will do a part 2. Before I share my screen with you, I'm just going to, pop up all the applications that I have in my phone for video editing, and then I will go ahead to show you what they do for me. So what I usually do is that I get one effect from one video editing app, and then I move on to the next to get more, more effect and more modified look or effect that I'm looking for. So sometimes you may not actually get everything you need in one video editing app. So here is why you have several apps. So you explore and see what this one does that this one cannot do, and then you keep switching up to, try them out. So let me share my screen with you and show you guys what they do. Hey guys, welcome back. So let's go straight to the video editing apps that I use for my videos. So I have my folders, and amongst others I have videography and I have photography folder. So let's go to the videography folder, and first on the list I have Beatlib. Next I have VN, which is also known as Vlog Now. Next I have Power Director, CC Express, Pro Movie, Focus Live, CapCut, 3D Lot Mobile, and Intro Maker. Okay, amongst all of these applications, the ones that I least use or have barely used is the Intro Maker. I just recently got the Intro Maker because I was looking to have more effects on my videos. As you know, I like to combine, or if you don't know, I like to combine different applications to give me the desired results. So Intro Maker, I haven't really explored it, so I can't really give a review or tell you about what it does or tell you what it does. The next least used one is the Power Director. Power Director used to be an amazing application for me to use. Recently I have really not had any need to use Power Director. That is just the least two that I hardly use. So to go over to the top and talk about them accordingly. Now Beatlib requires internet for it to function. So Beatlib is this amazing app I discovered, and it's so cool. It helps you synchronize your videos to the video, sound, or background music. So all you basically have to do is to start here by clicking this icon, right? So you select short videos or several videos you would like to merge into one. So I'm just gonna punch this, and this. So just for example, so this works on internet, so if you do not have internet, it's not gonna work. So you need your data connected to access this. So all you need to do is to select the videos you would want to merge into a short one, and then you select a soundtrack from either of these folders. So there are different types. We've got the travel, the night out, aesthetic, sports, urban, pink sunsets, memories, and so forth. So just pick a soundtrack and it automatically does the job for you. It sets the video according to the beat of that particular soundtrack you have chosen. So now we have the videos all imported and set according to the beats. So what you just got to do is to explore all of these icons on here
and see what they all do. You've got the black fade, you've got the fast cut, you've got the zoom effects, the slow-mo, the flash, the split, and that's it. So if you want to have access to all of these other tools with the lemon green icons on them, you have to pay for premium access. So just give this a shot and try out all of these effects and see something beautiful you can create. Now this is something that I like to use when I am kind of like a little bit lazy, or I'm not really going for something extreme in creativity. So I just basically use this one to give myself a 30-second video. I have not used this in a while now because I decided to start doing things myself and, you know, getting more creative. But this is more like it's super easy to use and it gives you something really beautiful at the end. So for Vlog Now is more like my go-to application for videos. It's so good. I discovered this application when I was browsing. I was about to start my YouTube channel, so VN was highly recommended. Once you launch the app, this is the interface that you're going to see. If you do not have any other projects going on, you will see this place will be blank, but since I already do, this is what is appearing. So you click on this plus sign here to create a new project. So I'm just going to go through some videos. Let's see the one we can work on. So nothing serious. So once you've imported all the raw files you would like to be working on, I usually scroll down to remove this last clip, this one here that says VN input title. I delete that because I'm not going to be needing it, and sometimes you might just forget and you save your video with that last automated file there. On this application, you've got an icon to add music to your video. You've got music, you've got sound effects, and you've got record. And for the music, you just tap on music. So it has the inbuilt one already. So they've got different folders: vlog, pop, dynamic, and fresh. So from here you can select any one that suits your video and you're good to go. On here you can do a fade in, fade out, you know, just to decrease the volume of the beginning and the end of your soundtrack, just to give it some kind of cinematic or professional touch. And now the next icon you have that is vertical lines is the T icon, which is a text button. So this one is for giving you text. You can write whatever you want to write on the screen. You've got standard, video title, mask, name, description, line frame, and a whole bunch of others. I'm just going to put softlive.com, and we're done with that one. So that is that. So now if you want to extend the duration of this text, all you need to do is to drag this icon on here for as long or as far as you want it, and you're good to go. So that is for that one. And the next on the icon on the list is the picture icon. So this is for you to add pictures or stickers or whatever. If you want something to float on there, it's this one. So with this, you can add a picture to your video. You can make it small, you can make it big, you can make it transparent if you want. You can extend the duration as well, just like you do for the text, and you can actually bring it back if you want. So just keep exploring and you will see the capacity of the application. The next icon is the video icon, which is this one where you import more videos. So say you just remembered you want more videos to add to this already existing one, all you just need to do is to click this and it takes you back to your gallery for you to select more videos. And now the next one there is the speaker icon, which is for volume or sound. Now if I do not want the original sound of my videos to be heard, all I need to do is to click on this and everything goes silent, and the music I have on here, the additional music I have on here, is the only thing that would be heard. So that is that for that icon, for that section. So going over to the ones that are listed at the foot of the screen, at the bottom of the screen, we have templates. You can explore that to make your work easier. So the first one after that is the filter, where you have several filters you can explore and use them to suit your video and all that. You also have the adjust up here. video to go on reverse, all you have to do is to click this reverse one, and the particular video clip you have action on will just take a reverse. So let's not just let this run. And freeze also, this will make a particular clip or a section to freeze. So that's basically it for VN. So when you're done, just click on this on the top right of the screen. There is an arrow pointing up, so that means you should save, and it goes ahead to save to your gallery, that is export to your gallery. So if you're not done yet with your video editing and you want to save it, just click on this folder icon right next to the arrow pointing upward, and it saves for you to come back and work on it later. So that's pretty much for VN.
Thank you for watching once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.